So Battle Cats, new Battle Cats offline official store, new merch available. We'll check out later in the video. Play. So yes sir. Sir, yes sir. Sir, yes sir. Start the game now. Sir, yes sir. And they said that this game will get harder and harder, but this game is easy. Oh. Oh, look at this cute little Sneaky. This Sneaky is about to die right now. Let's go, boys. What is that? Oh, with one shot. A huge fish. Like a big boss fight. Right? Though I want a goat, but I'm the goat. That was easy. Like, okay. Start. Another. I can't play this dude. He looks so cute. But this guy. Boss fight, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Elephant is Jumbo the elephant! Guys, what did I do? Oh no! They're zooming right now, guys. They're zooming. Batting balik. Slow. 105. Oh, it's a rabbit. we need a mustache because you know the big guns. Bring the big guns now. And we have the big guns. Pop, pop. Excuse me, pop, pop, pop. Fire! I need my car. Boom, 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 boom. Balikan. I need another car. No, give me another car. Guys, yes. Hurry up. Oh my god. I was wearing a new roll so my broom cut. There is a new cut. Upgrade. Guys, like I said, new cut. There's no new cut, guys. This stinky liar. What is the new cut? No. Where that one? By the way, I really want that cut. I really want this cut. But I want this cut. Yes. Oh, I feel so bad. Okay. Oh no. I don't even use this guy. So here you go. I need it. Our wrist is full now. Let's do this, guys. I want to see a wheel for this one. I want to see a wheel for this level because there are castle water. So I want to see a wheel. Well, wait, this okay. This body is we need an armor cut now. I'm gonna try to win this level with 3 cuts. The one that have up here now. Oh shit! Oh shit! I can only use this cut that have up here now. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! We need more cut. Let's go! The army of cut are coming! Let's go! Fire! Woo! We got one, guys. Oh no, we don't need that. Let's go! The army of cut! Whoops! Oh my god. Let's go! Donkey Kong! I can't see Donkey Guys, attack! Save me! Oh, we cook. We cook. Yeah, we cook. We can't win. We can't win. Come back up. I think we cook, guys. We cook. ones then. I mean, what win right? What do you? I need to say that again. I need to put out something. What is it? I don't want to use dog key. But no. We need the army of the boom booms. We need this guy. We need this one. This one. Oh, never mind. Okay, I'll come back and we have to battle, alright? New York? I got more help than you do. I'm gonna put him in too. You need to put him in. I'm gonna put him in too. Just brings the blue card. Curry cook. No! President, no! Car died of listening to him. RP a car. Bad. RP Curry. What is doing? Just what army? Bring back the Calgary! You sting! Woo! Sick! We're in the Caribbean Sea. We are the casino. This game. So let's go.